Diecast Mania here with yet another unboxing. This one is from Plymouth Rock Toy Company on eBay. Another thing I ordered. It is this excavator shovel. Let's get it unwrapped. This one's mint in the box. Got it for $6 plus $4 shipping. All in all, it was a good deal. Kind of rare piece. Here's the back of the box. I have this one, and this one. So this one completes the Hitachi collection from this company. I think he said that it was from 4-Star International. Never heard of them. I think 1988, 4-Star International Trading Company, made in Thailand. So this is pretty rare around here. So this is a Hitachi UH20 hydraulic excavator. Good little model. Very old, very rare. There you go. Try to get a little review of this one up soon if you guys want. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.